What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Sentra remote key fob. This Nissan Sentra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, off to the left hand side we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then I'm just going to twist my screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to split the case apart just a little bit right here. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it in that crack and just carefully run it up there, working around. As I do that, it's opening the key fob. Once you get it open enough, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll just use my screwdriver to get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your battery with the plus side down, like that. Snap it into that holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.